Our body protectors, the integumentary system and the lymphatic system. By Ji Yonggang. Chapter 1. The integumentary system. The integumentary system has 3 layers. Top layer is epidermis, bottom layer is dermis. Under the dermis, subcutaneous layer. Epidermis is made of epithelial tissue, and dermis is made of epithelial, nerves, muscle, and connective tissue. All 4 types are included in this dermis. Subcutaneous layer is made of connective tissue. Plus, subcutaneous layer isn't the layer of skin, but it is part of the integumentary system. Melanin. It is a brownish-black pigment produced by cell in the epidermis in differing amounts for each person. Next one is receptor cell. It is made of nerve tissue and that collected texture, pressure, and temperature information from the environment to send to the rest of the body. More detail about integumentary system. Hair is being found everywhere on the body except on the palms and the sole of the feet, and it is made of a collection of dead protein-filled cells. Hair follicle, where hair grew from, and it's buried deeply in the dermis. Epidermis layer is top layer of skin, completely replaced about every 25 days. Sweat gland. It is located on dermis, and it is released sweat, so it's helpful for maintaining homeostasis. Sebaceous gland. It is also located on dermis, but it releases fats, oil, and cellular waste products. It collectively called sebum. They keep out bacteria and virus. Integumentary system has 4 main functions. First one is protecting the human body from antigen, and second one is keeping our body temperature under control. And next one is ridding the body of harmful waste products. And last one is providing feedback from the environment by pain. Chapter 2. The lymphatic system. The lymphatic system have inflammatory response. It is signal to immune system for an attack. Lymphatic system is very important part of our life. The part of body that protected from antigen by using lymphatic system. The structure of human immune system are difficult to spot. This is because many are tiny. Antibody is protein that allow the body to fight off antigen to keep them from disturbing the body's process of life. Lymph transport antigen fighting cell and protein throughout a network of vessels similar to blood vessel. Lymph node is made of a group of cells surrounded by connective tissue. They flow lymphatic capillaries, lymphatic vessels, and to lymphatic nodes. Thymus. T-cells mature and learn what to fight and what to leave alone. When people were a child, developing, but when they aging, is gradually being replaced by fats. Spleen is make B cells that made antibodies to eliminate bacteria and virus. Subclavian vein. Subclavian vein. At this point, lymphatic rejoin the bloodstream. Macrophage, it fights antigen in lymph nodes by grabbing and holding antigen. Lymphocytes is white blood cell are produced inside bone marrow, and it have 2 types, T cell and B cell. Immune system have 2 types, passive and active. Passive immunity is when someone is given antibodies from the another organism the person experienced. But activity immunity is when people makes its own antibodies to protect itself. There have three kinds of things: cell-mediated immunity and hormone immunity and vaccine. And vaccine exposes a person to an antigen in form of a pathogen in a safe way to train his immunity system to respond properly to it. But there is some exception. It is autoimmune disease. It is killing the healthy cell by mistaking. I will tell more detail about hormone and cell-mediated immunity. First, hormone is located on between cells and relies on fluids. It's called hormone. Mostly B cell used in hormone immunity. And also hormone using helper T cell, memory B cell, plasma cell that made by B cell. And next, cell-mediated immunity is located on in cells and mostly T cell using cell-mediated. And cell-mediated use macrophage, cytokinase, helper T cell, killer T cell, suppressor T cell, and memory T cell. And more information about cytokinase is protein that killer T cell made. Thank you for watching my video. Bye!